Today I will show you how to create a table of content, footnote and endnote in Microsoft Word. Creating a table of content is easier than you think. To create a table of content, follow these steps. Select the text you want to apply heading style. Go to the Home tab, and select the desired headings in the style group. Apply a heading style based on their heading level 1, 2, 3. After applying the heading styles, position the cursor where you want the table of content to be. Go to the Reference tab and click on the Table of Content button. Select a built-in table from the menu that appears, and the table of content will appear in your document. Updating your table of content. In case you add, remove, or edit a heading in your document, you will need to update your table of content to take effect. To update your table of content, go to the Reference tab and click on the Update Table button. Click on Update Entire Table and press on OK. You can also select the table of content and click on Update Table. Removing table of content. To remove the table of content, go to the Reference tab, click on Table of Content, and select Remove Table of Content on the drop-down list. Customizing your table of content. Apart from using the built-in table of contents, you can create a table of contents that matches what you want by using the Customize Table of Content command. Go to the Reference tab, click on Table of Content, and select Customize Table of Content on the drop-down list. In the Table of Content dialog box, choose the following options to set the headings and how they should be formatted. Showing page numbers. This option allows you to deselect the Show Page Numbers box if you want the table of content to be a simple list that does not refer to the headings by page. Align the page numbers. This option allows you to select the right Align Page Numbers checkbox if you want the page numbers to line up along the right side of the table of content. Choosing a table leader. This allows you to choose the leader to apply. Choosing a format. This allows you to choose from the Formats drop-down list. Choosing a table of content depth. This option determines the number of headings included in the table of content. The next tip I want to show you is how to insert footnotes and endnotes. A footnote in a document adds a note, comments, or reference that usually appears at the bottom of a page in a document, and it is represented by a number or symbol in a text. An endnote also adds notes, comments, or references but appears at the end of a section, chapter, or document, and it is also represented by a number or symbol in a text. Inserting a footnote. To add a footnote to your document, place the insertion point where you wish to add a footnote. Go to the Reference tab and click on Insert Footnote. A reference mark is inserted where the footnote mark is added at the bottom of the page. Inserting an endnote. To add an endnote to your document, place the insertion point where you wish to add an endnote. Go to the Reference tab and click on Insert Endnote. A reference mark is inserted where the endnote mark is added at the bottom of the document. Customizing the footnotes and endnotes. After you have added your footnotes and endnotes to your document, you can change the way they appear. For instance, you can choose to change the number format of your footnote or endnote in your document. To do this, right-click on the footnote you entered and then select Footnote or Endnote. In the Footnote and Endnote dialog box, set the following options to customize your footnote and endnote. Footnotes. Select the bottom of the page to place the footnote at the bottom of the page. Endnotes. Select End of Document to place the endnotes at the back of the document. In case your document is in sections, select End of Section to make the endnote appear at the end of the section. Columns. This allows you to choose the number of columns you want while running the footnotes and endnotes. Number format. With this option, you can change the number format to different numbering styles. Custom mark. This option allows you to mark a note with a symbol by clicking on the symbol button. Start it. This allows you to choose where you want the numbering of the notes to start from. Numbering. This option allows you to number your notes by selecting continuous or restart each section. Editing. Moving and deleting footnotes or endnotes. Editing. To edit a footnote or endnote, double-click on the number or symbol in the footnote or endnote, then start editing. Moving. To move a footnote or endnote, select the number or symbol, and drag to the new location. You can cut and paste it to a new location. Deleting. To delete a footnote or endnote, select the number or symbol, and press the delete key. Subscribe the channel for more. Have a blessed day.